Welcome to the KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro Machining Guide series. In this lesson, we'll learn how to restore backup parameters, a function that lets you recover previously saved machine settings with just a few simple steps. Restoring parameters helps bring back your machine's previous configuration instantly, including access settings, speed limits, and system preferences.
Restore backup parameters. Before restoring backup parameters, ensure you have backed up parameters. Otherwise, the prompt "cannot find the backup file" appears. To restore backup parameters, do the following. 1. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the interface of parameter maintenance, select 6, Param Upkeep, by pressing down, up, and press OK. To restore backup parameters, select 2, Restore Backup, by pressing down, up, and press OK. The prompt, "Sure to restore backup," appears. Press OK for confirmation. The prompt, "Reboot immediately," appears. Press OK for confirmation. KAFA Beta 2 DSP Pro automatically restarts.